fan collectors. This is David Zering, the Fan Man, with something very special in my room. I'm finally able to install it. I replaced the other fan, the Hasley fan, with this Hunter original from 1990. Does have oil in it, but like I said, I put this slide kit from the original fan on this one, and it looks absolutely amazing. So, as you can see, this fan's in really good condition. So, finally able to film it. So, we're gonna show you the light kit. Here's what it looks like. It's beautiful, huh? Very beautiful. And of course, you know the reverse is the same as the other one, so we're not going to show it in reverse today. So, here we go with low. Switch is on. It's on low, so it's very slow on low. Very quiet. I love these Hunter original fans. Now I'm starting to collect Hunter originals. I got one new in box, brass one. Finally testing it on low. As you can see, very quiet. Moving a small breeze. But as you can see, it's very quiet and very good to look at. Alright, but now we're going to put it on medium. That's low. Here comes medium. Medium. And it's still very quiet. It's moving a good breeze in here. As you can see. It's moving a very good amount of air. All right. Now we're going to go to high. High. Very powerful. Gets right up to speed for a room like this. It's moving an incredible amount of air. It's definitely a good air mover. Quite an improvement for this room, because it really needed it. And spin down. See if I can reach the switch. Can't do it. I was gonna put it in reverse, so I can't reach it, so I'm gonna have to get a stool, so I'm gonna pause the video real quick and get me a stool. We're still rolling. Put on low. Alright, here's low. On reverse. Here's the other way. usually for winter. And here's medium. There's medium. Very, very quiet. And now for high. And off. Works on all 3 speeds. I like it on 4 because it's hot. Wipe off some of this excess oil. As you can see, I filled it up to the top with this Hunter. I filled it up with Hunter oil online, and I got this right here. Just to check it every time. So maintenance is really a must on these things to really keep them up. But like I said, this thing's in really good condition. So I'm happy about it. I'm very happy I got it in my room now, because I've always wanted a brass and white fan because that's what they have in the living room. And this absolutely matches the dining room. So yeah, it's what I needed. And of course the spin down time's forever. That's what happens when you take care of them. The spin down time takes a long time. But yeah, anyways guys, like, share, comment, subscribe. Shout out to all the people. See y'all later. God bless y'all, and out.